welcome to the step-by-step guide to optimizing your SEO blog post using markcopy.ai. In this guide, we'll show you how to create content that appeals to your target audience and is Google friendly, meaning that it is 100% original and free of duplicate content, and also with the right SEO keywords. So to get started, the first step is to create your account on markcopy.ai. You have a 7 days free trial to get started. So as you can see, I'm on the interface. I'm going to click on templates right here, and I'm going to click on full blog post to create a new document. Now I have my text editor on the left and the SEO analysis on the right. I'm going to import this blog post right here, the ultimate guide to using AI for SEO, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to optimize this blog post for SEO using markcopy.ai. So you see, it's a pretty in-depth guide, but it's not yet optimized for SEO. So that's where markcopy comes in. It's really a tool made to optimize your SEO and your content marketing. I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going back on the tool, clicking on general, and then I'm going to import my content here. I'm clicking on import and the tool is going to import all of my content. So my content is imported, as you can see on the left. I have a basic score right now, but to get a more precise score, what I'm going to do is to add a primary keywords. So I'm going to run an SEO analysis here to get my competitors and to get the keywords that I should include in this blog post. So here we wanted to target the SEO automation keyword. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to run an SEO analysis of this keyword. Start analysis. So now the tool is running an in-depth SEO analysis of my competitors and will also suggest me ways to optimize my content for SEO. So it takes, approximately a minute, because what the tool does here is it's analyzing the entire Google SERP and finding all of my competitors. And, it's going to find all of them. It's going to analyze all of their keywords, all of their images, all of their internal and external links. So it's a real in-depth SEO analysis that will help you to optimize your blog post. As you can see here, the analysis is done and I have the keywords to include and I have also the complementary keywords. So here, as you can see, the first thing that I can see is that I don't have the words automation. So I should add the word automation between 12 times and 18 times. And as you can see, I only have it 2 times right now. So I need way more time the words automation. And perhaps I could probably include it in my H2 here, because if I include these words into my outlines, Google will see this and I will have a higher chances of ranking on Google, right? So let me see a few outlines that we can change and we can add the word automation. So I'm going to take this one, so 5 steps to automate your SEO with AI. Maybe we could go for 5 steps to SEO automation using AI. And as you can see, my SEO score is increasing here because I'm adding my keywords. But obviously it's not enough. I'm going to add it a bunch more time. 5 steps to SEO automation using AI. Awesome. So now what I want to do is I want to ask to the AI to write an introduction paragraph using the words automation, because I want more time the words automation. So write a paragraph introduction for this section. Include the word automation 3 times. Be precise and keep in mind my target audience, marketers. So as you can see, you can give prompt instructions to Mark and he will write your paragraph very efficiently, including the words automation. So this is what I want to perform my SEO optimization. I want the word automation because my competitors are using this word in their blog post. And if they are using it and if they are ranking, that means they are doing something right. And I should also include the word automation if I want my blog post to rank. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. I take this instruction and I'm going to click on the Write More button here. the AI takes into account this instruction and is going to write my paragraph. In today's fast-paced world, automation is becoming increasingly important for marketers to succeed. Automation can save time and resources, allowing marketers to focus on more creative tasks and make better use of their data. As you can see, I now have the words automation 8 times, which is super convenient because I save a lot of time. And adding the words automation inside the article is very time consuming, and that's why I want to use AI to save a bunch of time here. So looking at the other tabs, obviously I have the SEO automation, the full keyword that I need to include more time in my outlines and also in my content. I also have a bunch of other keywords to include here: issues, ranking, automation tools. Maybe I can do a list of automation tools that would be nice to have in this blog post. Looking at competitors, I can see that the average blog post is around 2,000 words. It has a 6 H2, 5 H3, 9 images, and a lot of internal and external links here. So as you can see, if I want to optimize my blog post, I would need to have at least all of this. So at least 6 H2, at least 5 H3, I would need to include way more images and to add internal links to other articles and external links to maybe other tools, and this would really help me to optimize my blog post for SEO here. As you can see, I have all of my competitors. I have SEMrush, I have Search Engine Journal, so I have all of my competitors here. And by the way, we can select the SERP. So if you are not in the US, for example, you can select Spain, you can select Italia. So you can really optimize your SEO no matter your country, basically. And if I go on the last tab, the recommendations tab, I can see that to outrank my competitors, I would need way more words. So in this case, I would need around 4,000 words. And my article, as you can see, is already optimized. So we have enough H2, we have images, we have enough H3 as well. And by the way, this article, we used it to write it completely. We used Markopy's workflows to write a blog post within 5 minutes. It's called the Rocket Mode workflow, and you can find it in the app. It's here. You have a button Rocket Mode, and you can use the Rocket Mode workflow to write a full optimized blog post within 5 minutes. It's super efficient. All right, so as you can see, this is how you used Markopy's SEO optimizer. You have the keywords, recommendations, you have the competitors, you have the SEO recommendations as well, all within one tool. So you don't need SEMrush, you don't need another SEO optimization tool and an AI tool. You have all of this included within one tool. And soon you will be able to export your blog post directly to WordPress or to Webflow, any CMS. So it's a super convenient app, and you have you have everything you need to optimize your blog post for SEO. So congratulations, you now know how to optimize your blog post using Markopy.ai. You can now use this tool to create original content that is Google friendly. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Markopy.ai.